If you don't learn how to control machines, you will become one. Right now, in a Tesla facility surrounded by steel, code, and cameras, a real human is strapped into a motion capture suit. Every move they make, recorded, not for training other people, but to teach a humanoid robot to do their job better than them. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. This is the future of labor, where your body might be training your replacement. Meet Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. It stands 6 feet tall. It has hands, joints, balance. It mimics you, learns from you, and never, ever stops improving. The training method. Workers wear high-tech motion suits that capture every movement, down to a twitch. And Optimus watches and copies. There's no coding, no manual, just mimicry. Mastered. The stakes are real. Here's what most people miss. Optimus isn't learning random tasks. It's folding clothes, sorting bolts and moving parts. The kind of jobs most people think are safe. Repetitive, stable. Too human to replace. Wrong. Tesla's CEO has already said this robot could become more valuable than the car business. That means your role, the one you thought was secure, just got an expiration date. Picture yourself in that factory, in the suit, training the robot. You lift, it lifts. Then it starts doing it without you. And you realize you didn't just teach a machine. You gave away your edge. But here's the thing. You don't have to be replaced. You just have to upgrade. Tesla's real plan and how you dominate the humanoid industry. Tesla isn't just building cars or robots. They're building the blueprint for labor dominance. Humanoids trained by humans, then scaled, multiplied, and deployed into every factory, warehouse, and facility on Earth. But here's where you dominate. You become the strategist, the engineer, the one who leads machines, not the one replaced by them. That's how you build a life of income, mobility, and control. What automation actually means for you. The dream is simple. You don't want to clock in every day for 40 years. You want freedom, to work from the places you love, to earn like you live in Silicon Valley, even if you're at a beach cafe in Bali. Let the robots handle the repetitive stuff. You focus on being the mind they can't replicate. 3 steps to make yourself irreplaceable. If you're serious about being unshakable in the age of humanoids, do this. Step 1, learn automation systems, robotics logic, motion control, AI behavior. Start with MIT OpenCourseWare and Coursera Robotics. Step 2, join elite programs. Apply to the Tesla Robotics and Engineering Internship. Yes, it's real. Aim higher. Carnegie Mellon University's Robotics Institute, the #1 lab for AI engineers. Step 3, outbrand the bots. Create your portfolio. Launch your website. Build a personal brand so powerful, you're the one designing, not obeying. Elite events and access for robotics careers. You want to be the future? Show up where the elite build it. Viva Tech Paris, where Tesla and robotics companies preview their next moonshots. TechCrunch Disrupt, where automation startups are born overnight. IEEE-ICRA, the global robotics conference that shapes AI policy, talent, and systems. These aren't fantasy expos. They're where you shake hands with the people who are building billion-dollar humanoids and hiring the humans smart enough to lead them. Choose power or erasure. We're no longer asking whether robots will take your job. We're asking, did you see it coming, or did you wait to be erased? This is your line in the sand. You can hide behind excuses. To the ones who build and train, the ones who control machines, not get controlled by them. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover in the description the tools, internships, and robotics events to unlock your future. And if you're ready to lead the humanoid revolution, watch this next video right now.